Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving into a camera that's been creating a lot of buzz among professionals and photography lovers. The Sony RX1R III. This is a compact full-frame camera that packs serious power in a small body. The big question is, does it really deliver on its promise? Let's break it down. When you first pick up the RX1R III, the design strikes you right away. It looks minimal, but premium. The body feels solid and well built, yet it's small enough to fit into a jacket pocket. That's rare for a full-frame camera. Sony clearly designed this for people who want professional results without carrying heavy gear. The star of the show is the sensor. The RX1R III comes with a full-frame sensor that captures rich detail and dynamic range. Every shot feels alive with depth and clarity. The colors are natural, sharp, and balanced. For street photography, travel shots, or portraits, the quality is on par with much larger professional cameras. The fixed lens is a 35mm f2.0 Zeiss sonar. It's fast, sharp, and produces beautiful background blur. Some may wish for interchangeable lenses, but Sony's choice here keeps the camera small and optimized. The pairing of this lens and the full-frame sensor makes images look stunning without extra effort. Autofocus has also been improved. It's quicker, more reliable, and handles tricky lighting better than before. Whether you're shooting in daylight, indoors, or at night, the RX1R III stays responsive. Autofocus in particular makes portraits look clean and precise. The display and viewfinder add to the experience. Tilting screen gives flexibility for creative angles, and the electronic viewfinder pops up when you need it. It's sharp and responsive, making composition easier in bright sunlight or low light. Video performance is solid, though this camera is clearly made for still photography first. It shoots in 4000 with good detail and colors, but it doesn't have all the advanced video tools you'd find in Sony's dedicated video cameras. For casual video, though, it's more than capable. Battery life is decent for its size. But like most compact cameras, it's not going to last all day if you're shooting heavily. Carrying an extra battery is a must. So who is the RX1R III for? It's for serious photographers who want professional quality without the bulk. It's for people who value image quality above all else, but don't want to carry a full camera kit. It's not cheap, but it delivers results that justify the price. In the end, the Sony RX1R III is a small camera with a big impact. It proves that you don't need a giant setup to capture stunning full-frame images. Portability, sharpness, and image quality are what you're after. This camera deserves your attention. That wraps up our look at the Sony RX1R III. What do you think about a full-frame camera this small? Do you trade flexibility for image quality? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Tap Tech for more honest tech breakdowns.